A horse is tied to a peg in one corner of a square grass field, and you are supposed to find out that in how much area the horse can graze. Or suppose there is a square area, and in the middle of there are some circular shapes, and you are supposed to find out the area of that circular shapes or the remaining area. Or suppose you are given a circle, and in the middle there is a huge triangle, and you are supposed to find out the remaining area. What am I talking about? Yes, you are right. Area related to circles. If you found difficulties to do these type of problems, you are at the right place. As today we are going to discuss these type of problems related to circles. Hey everyone, I'm Meenu Gera, online mathematics wizard, founder of Meenu's Math, and of course your tutor. So if you're new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about my new videos. And after watching the video, if you like that, don't forget to hit the like button. So without wasting time, let's get started with the area related to circle. Area related to circle की problems discuss करने से पहले we should definitely know some formulas. So first of all, area of circle. You all know that that is pi r square. The second one, area of sector, that is theta by 360 multiply pi r square. If you don't know what is sector, segment, etc., go to my another video. I am giving her link of that video. Fine. Area of segment, that is area of sector minus area of triangle. If I say this is a circle, this is called, this area is called sector, and this part is called its segment. So area of segment, we can say area of sector minus area of triangle. Sector segment की shapes के लिए go to my another video. Area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 a square. Area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 b at base multiply height. Okay, so I want to tell you, in this year, in your syllabus, you have only 60 degree and 90 degree. I'm talking about theta. And theta is this angle. If I say it is only 60 and 90, that means या तो अगर 60 का एंगल होगा, that will be equilateral triangle. Fine. And तो हम ये वाला formula apply करेंगे equilateral triangle का. And suppose it is 90 degree, then we will apply the simple formula 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. So we need only these two formulas. Fine. So let's discuss first example. Suppose this is a square grass field. इसकी side given है 15 meter, and there is a peg with that a hose is tied. जो hose की rope है, that is given that it is 5 meter long. We are supposed to find out in how much area it can graze. अब ये देखो, the hose can move only in this area. Only in this area. So what is that? Can you see? It is a quarter part of the circle. It is a quarter part of the circle. Find 1/4 of the circle. If I talk about 1/4 of the circle, we know the area of circle is pi r square, and if you want to find out the quarter part, 1 by 4. Fine. Our radius will be 5. The rope, the length of rope. So it will be 5 multiply 5. What about pi? If I talk about value of pi, pi's value can be 22 by 7. It can be 3.14. I suggest you, if your radius is a multiple of 7, then go for the 22 by 7. And if it is any other, you can write down 3.14. Here I am writing 3.14. By multiplying these all, we can get the answer. So after multiplication, we will get 19.625 meters square. This is the area in which the hose can graze. Now, it was a quite simple problem. Let's go to some difficult level. Okay, so we go to another problem like this. This is a circular area and its radius is given 32 meter. Fine. यहाँ इसके center में it is a equilateral triangle. And what we are supposed to find out the area of this region, the designed part. Okay. I want to tell you here, ये जो figure है, it is not the exact, about measurement wise, it is not the exact thing, but just understand that what we are going to do. A circular area, उसके बीच में एक triangle, और हमें क्या find out करना है, the area of this designed region. So it is quite simple that what we are going to do. For that, we will find out area of circle pi r square, and from that we are going to subtract area of equilateral triangle. It is given that equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. Fine. It's quite simple. So what is complicated here? We don't know the side of this triangle. Let's see that how will we find out the side of this triangle. Okay. For that, what am I going to do? Let's take it like A, B, and C. Now, draw a median. If I say median, if I say perpendicular, both are the same thing. Why am I saying this? Both are the same thing. Because in equilateral triangle, median and altitude are same. So name it as D, AD. AD यहाँ पे you can say median, you can say perpendicular. If I say perpendicular, that means 90 angle. If I say median, that means this BD is half of this BC. Fine. And suppose this is the point O. AO क्या है यहाँ पे? AO is its radius and AD is its median. Now, listen to me very carefully. I am saying in an equilateral triangle, the radius AO is 2 by 3 of this median. Radius is 2/3 part of median. Please keep it in your mind. Radius is 2/3 part of median. तो यहाँ से क्या होने वाला है? We are given that radius AO, BO, CO all are radius. AO, it is given 32. This is very, very important question, especially for standard students. From here, we can find out the value of AD. So AD क्या आ जाएगा? AD will be 32 multiplied 3 by 2. By solving it, I will get 16 3s are 48 meter. AD is given here 48 meter. AD हमने 48 meter. We have we have found out. Not it was not given. So अब AD से हमें क्या benefit होगा? How to go the side of the triangle? Side find out करने के लिए we will discuss triangle ABD. अभी ध्यान से देखना triangle ABD. In this triangle, it is right angle triangle. Fine. We can apply Pythagoras. According to Pythagoras, we are going to do AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Look at this. BD is base, AD is perpendicular, and this AB is our hypotenuse. Fine. So, this is AB square. AD, it is here, 48. 48 square. What about BD? If I talk about BD, हमने beginning में क्या कहा था? It is median. If it is median, that means BD is half of BC. और जो BC है, that is equal to AB, as it is equilateral triangle. So if I write down BD as AB by 2, is it fine? इसका square कर देते हैं. So what will we get? AB square is equal to 48 square. What is 48 square? I hope you know this 2304. अगर नहीं पता है तो जल्दी से मल्टीप्लाई करके सॉल्व कर लो. प्लस AB square by 4. This 2 square is 4. From here, we are going to solve the value of AB. AB means the side of that equilateral triangle. Because यहाँ पे हमारा main यही aim है. After that, we can do it quite simply. What am I doing? AB square by 4, left hand side आएगा. This is now 3 by 4. AB square is equal to 2304. I'm writing it here. AB square is equal to 2304 multiply by 4 by 3. इसको जरा solve करने के लिए what am I doing? AB is equal to, if I write down 2304 multiply by 4 upon 3 whole root. Is it fine? Why am I doing this calculation like this? किसी भी वे में आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. There is not any compulsion. But why am I doing this? Because I know the value that 2304 इसका square root क्या होगा? That 48. अभी तो हमने solve किया था. Root 4 it is going to be 2. And what about this? This is root 3. After that this is 48 multiply 2. This is root 3 by 3. What I have done? Rationalize कर लिया मैंने इसको. Fine. Now this is 16. 16 to the 32. Calculation आप किसी भी way में कर सकते हो. There is not any compulsion. Look at this some very carefully as it's very important, and it is a little higher level. AB की value आ गई means we got the value of side of equilateral triangle. So let's find out that designed area of designed part, designed region, anything you can say, whichever language is it in the question. और आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो because here we are going to discuss MCQs. तो exactly language आपने अपने rough work में क्या लिखी it doesn't matter. Root 3 by 4 a square. Now we know that pi 22 by 7. You can take 3.14 also because there is nothing about radius. It is not multiple of 7. What about radius? Radius was 32 minus root 3 by 4. If I talk about a, now our a is this 32 root 3 whole square. Solve it, you will get the answer. After solving, we get 22,528 upon 7 minus, इसको solve किया, we will get 768 root 3. बस यहीं पे छोड़ देना है, इससे आगे ज्यादा solve करने की need नहीं है. This is your area. Write down the unit meter square. Now write down in the comment box which topic you want in the next video. Till that, take care, bye-bye, and happy learning to all of you. Bye.